Welcome back, guys, to the class. In this section we're going to be talking about pending orders. We're going to be discussing how you can place your pending orders. So there are four main types of pending orders. We've got buy stop, we've got a sell stop, then we also have a buy limit and a sell limit. So in this section we are going to focus mainly on the buy side. That means we'll be talking about the buy stop and the buy limit. So what is a buy stop? A buy stop is a position which is selected when a trader anticipates the current uptrend to continue rising. Therefore, the entry point is placed above the current price action. So basically, you'll be anticipating the current bullish momentum to continue so that you can be in a position to join on the trend and trade alongside the price action. So how then do you open a buy stop, right? So when you're opening a buy stop, it means you are trading a market which is moving to the upside. So now let me show you how you can open your buy stop order. Let me see. Let's see which chart we can use. Let's open USD CAD. USD CAD. We can already see that USD CAD on a 4-hour time frame, we've got a small short-term uptrend that is forming. So if you go to a lower time frame like 1 hour, you can clearly see we've got a short-term uptrend. This is probably because of Powell, who was speaking this afternoon. So now we'll be anticipating that, okay, this uptrend is gonna continue. It's gonna continue probably to test this high, right? So now we need to join in. So we place our buy stop. So to place the buy stop, you click new order. Right, now where it says type here, where it says type, you need to select pending order, right? In this example, we need to select buy stop because we are anticipating the current price action to continue with its upward momentum. Then you specify the price that you want to get in. Right now, current price is 1.4090. So let's say we put 1.409950. So that means when price reaches that entry point of 1.40950, it should trigger our buy stop, meaning we'll be in a long position. Then here you specify your stop loss. If we are entering at 40950, right, grab your crosshair tool, highlight 950, right, that's your entry point. We need stop loss, say 20 pips, which is coming in at 1.4074. so our stop loss 20 pips, 740, right? And our target is gonna be from 195. We'll be targeting, say 4171. Once you have specified all these parameters, you can also choose to specify an expiry date to say if by Friday or any day that you choose, if the price hasn't reached 4095, then you must cancel the order. Then you click place order. You can already see we've got the order placed. Our entry line, if price reaches there, it will activate. Then we are in a long position. So that's how you place a buy stop, because you are anticipating the bullish momentum to continue. Now let's look at a buy limit order. Now what is a buy limit order? with a buy limit order, the market is currently declining, right? But you as the investor or the trader, you expect it to bounce back. That means an entry point has to be created below the current price action. So now buy limit is the opposite of buy stop in terms of placement, but both of them you are going to be trading to the upside. A buy stop, your entry point is to the upside of current price action. Buy limit, your entry point is below the current price action. So now let's see how to do that. I'm gonna open a chart. What chart can I work with? Let's see what NZD AUD-USD, right? We've got AUD-USD. Currently, market is in declining. You see, the market is currently declining, but now we are anticipating that the decline is gonna bounce back up, right? So you click on new order. When you click on new order, you select pending order. Now we need a buy limit. We select our buy limit. We specify our lot size 0.05. Then here we specify our entry price. We need an entry price which is lower, so I'm gonna specify, we can clearly see here price is bouncing at 64425. So 64425 will be my entry, and then my stop loss, I'm gonna place it, say 15 pips is fine, so that comes in at 6427. So my stop loss is coming in at 6427. Then my take profit, I'm gonna place it targeting these highs here, but first target will be probably this high, coming in at 65155. So we got 65155, and same applies with the buy stop. Same thing apply also with the buy limit. You can specify the expiry date to say, okay, if say by Friday price hasn't reached 64425, you must cancel the order. Specify the expiry date. So now that you have placed everything, you click on place your buy limit order. Now you can see our entry point is below the current price action. So we'll be anticipating that, okay, market is gonna decline, and when it declines and reaches our entry point, it should trigger the trade, right? Meaning the trade is gonna be active. So that's how you place a buy stop and a buy limit. In the next class, I'm going to show you how to create your sell stop and your sell limit orders. I'll see you again in the next class. Thank you.